Welcome to my country kitchen. Irresistibly tasty chicken gizzards. Recipe. Ingredients: 1.5 pounds chicken gizzards, washed. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1.5 tablespoons seasoned salt. 1.5 teaspoons ground black pepper. 1.5 teaspoons garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. 2 cups buttermilk. 1 cup olive oil for frying. Instructions: cut off all excess fat and membrane from the chicken gizzards. Add raw chicken gizzards to a pot of cold water. Bring water and gizzards to a rolling boil for 15 minutes. Drain off water and let the chicken gizzards cool. Once cool, place them in mixing bowl of buttermilk for 30 minutes. Combine the flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika powder, and chicken gizzards in a large 1-gallon plastic storage bag. In the large 1-gallon plastic storage bag, thoroughly coat the chicken gizzards with flour and seasoning mixture. Transfer chicken gizzards from the 1-gallon storage bag and gently lay them into the frying pan. Set temperature to medium-high. Fry battered chicken gizzards for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Reduce the heat to low, add a top cover to the frying pan, and let the battered chicken gizzards simmer until they are tender. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, but a time could vary depending on the size of your chicken gizzards and actual range-eye temperature. Remove the top cover off frying pan. Transfer the chicken gizzards out of the pan to paper towels to drain any remaining olive oil. A family meal of fried chicken gizzards. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please click that notification bell. Till next time, goodbye, friends.